This YouTube channel makes over $10,000 a month, and that's exactly what I want. To achieve this goal, I decided to give you the exact same style of content so that I could achieve the same results. But for this plan to work, we need to start today. The channel we're inspired by makes Minecraft animations. If you just check out their recent short videos, you'll see that almost all of them have millions of views. But there's one big problem. This niche is completely saturated, and almost all the big channels are producing similar content. That's where my idea comes in. Instead of going straight into the Minecraft niche, we're going to take the topics of their viral videos and then recreate them in the world's most popular Reddit story Minecraft thread. And now for the good news. I made a video in just 2 minutes with the help of AI that got millions of views. In this video, I explain how you can fully automate the process of creating, uploading, and scaling short videos using the viral content system. If you don't learn this system, you'll still be making videos that don't get views, while this method can make your channel $10,000 per month. Why should you use AI? If you're not using AI to create short videos yet, you're already falling behind your competitors because you spend hours editing while AI does everything automatically. Many people still edit manually, but today I'm introducing you to a tool that does the entire process of creating short videos for you, from choosing the scope to creating the script, images, and even AI sounds. This tool even suggests niches with high viral potential. For example, I used SMS stories on my channel and got great results. Finally, I will teach you how to use the method to make your videos rank higher. So first, like that video and subscribe to the channel, then let's go. Now it's time to log in to ChatGPT. After logging in, just copy the prompt I have prepared. I will place this prompt in the Telegram channel so that you can always access it. As soon as you enter the prompt in ChatGPT, in a few moments, the best catchy and viral titles for your videos will be ready. You will receive a complete and organized script for creating videos. Now enter the Korpi AI site. The site link is in the description. This is a wonderful and creative platform that has revolutionized the world of video content production. With this smart tool, you can create amazing, professional, and engaging clips in just a few minutes without even a bit of experience in video editing. This site is the best choice for producing short videos on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. With ready-made templates, diverse features, and powerful artificial intelligence, Korpi AI makes video production as simple and enjoyable as possible. With this platform, users can not only create high-quality videos with modern design, but also have the opportunity to easily enter the world of content monetization. Professional plans have high production speed, making Korpi AI one of the best and most engaging video content production tools in the world. You can create different types of viral videos in a few moments, such as fake text videos, pre-made meme clips, Reddit story, Twitter/X thread clips, split-screen quiz text, top 5. These formats are exactly what are getting millions of views on YouTube and TikTok today. For example, I will choose Reddit story in this tutorial. Now it's time to enter the settings section, upload a profile picture. First, upload a profile picture for yourself. This image should be simple, professional, and memorable. Enter the channel name in the Enter Name section, choose a suitable name, for example, SkillEarly. Add a title and script. In the title section, enter the title that ChatGPT has created for you. In the script section, copy and paste the ready-made text that ChatGPT has generated. Select a background video. This section contains a collection of different videos such as GTA, Minecraft Subway Surfers, Cooking Fortnite, and many more. Now enter the Minecraft category. This section is full of viral videos. Choose one of the best ones and then click Next. Add music and select sound. In the background music section, you can add a song of your choice to give the video more energy. Adjust the voice speed. Then select a voice to have the script read professionally over the video. When all the settings are ready, click Generate Video. In a few moments, your video will be ready. Watch the final output. Now it's time to watch the created video. You can see that in just a few minutes, with the help of these automation tools, a professional short video is ready to be uploaded to YouTube. And this simple method can bring your channel to thousands of dollars in revenue in a short time.
My best friend betrayed me in Minecraft, so I was playing Minecraft with my best friend. We started a survival world together and everything was going great, until I trusted him with my diamond chest. Guess what? He stole everything. My enchanted sword armor, even the netherite scraps. I was furious, but instead of yelling, I planned something better. I built a secret TNT trap under his base. The moment he opened his chest to gloat, boom! His entire base exploded. He rage quit. And let's just say, that was the last time he betrayed me.
Now, just repeat the same steps again. This time enter ChatGPT with the second prompt, create a new title and script, and apply the same settings as before. In just a few moments, a new video will be ready. Why is this method special? These types of videos are not yet used by many people on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. This means that the competition is very low, and your chances of going viral and getting millions of views are very high. So if you are really looking for dollar income, start today. You can create a professional short video in just 10 minutes and take the first step towards earning several $1,000s. So get started right now. Create your first video and change the future of your channel.
This player tried to scam me, but I outsmarted him. On a Minecraft server, a random player offered me free diamonds if I gave him my netherite pickaxe. Obviously it was a scam, but I played along. I gave him a wooden pickaxe renamed as netherite pickaxe. He actually believed it and dropped 20 diamonds. The whole server laughed when he realized, moral of the story, don't try to scam, especially in Minecraft.
My teammate tried to trap me, but it backfired. In Bed Wars, my teammate acted friendly. He told me to follow him to a bridge. Turns out he had mined one block, hoping I'd fall into the void. But here's the twist. I saw it coming, so instead of walking, I threw a fireball at the bridge. He fell straight into his own trap. The chat exploded with laughter, and I won the game solo.
My little brother ruined my hardcore world, so I got revenge. I survived 200 days in hardcore Minecraft. Every farm, every build. I put my heart into it. But then my little brother sneaked onto my PC. He spawned hundreds of creepers right next to my base. One explosion later, everything was gone. I was devastated. But then I logged onto his world where he was building a giant golden castle. I might have released a few withers inside. Let's just say balance was restored.
As you can see, the video we made is amazing. I won't show the entire preview because it's long, but it's enough to give you an idea of mer to wow. But professional and fast output you'll get. Now, let's be clear about the pricing. But the good news is that the prices are quite affordable and worth it. There are 3 different plans available. Hobby plan $16 per month. Clipper plan $23.99 per month. Pro plan $47.99 per month. If you click on the Get Offer button, you can get a 30% discount on all plans, which makes it even more economical. Plus, if you don't want to buy a subscription, you can purchase credits individually, just $60 per credit. This means you'll have access to a wide range of AI capabilities for a very low cost. And that's it. We've just managed to create a short video in no time that has the potential to go viral. If you really want to go viral on YouTube or TikTok and make thousands of dollars every month, I recommend you try Korpi AI today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to learn the latest AI tools. Tell me in the comments section which Korpi AI feature is most exciting to you. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.